Welcome to Anandi's kitchen. Today we'll see how we can make Bonda soup. This is one of the famous dish here in Karnataka. The soup is made of moong dal and then the udad dal bonda. Now I've soaked the udad dal. I've taken 1 cup, either split or whole. Grind into soft batter. Boil 1 cup of moong dal with little turmeric. Now let's start. Here to the batter I've added little pepper and jeera, green chillies, ginger, pieces of coconut, curry leaves, and mix it thoroughly till the batter is fluffy. Here I've taken a cooker, added 1 teaspoon of oil, added some mustard seeds, jeera and hing. This is for the soup. You can add onions, ginger, green chilies, add tomatoes, curry leaves. Now a little bit of turmeric will add. There's no red chili powder needed. The green chili and the pepper powder is enough. Now a little bit of pepper powder and the coconut scrapings. Mix thoroughly. You can add the salt, and now I'm adding little water. I'm going to cover and cook for 1 whistle. This way it is easier. Now after 1 whistle you can see the tomatoes and onions have become soft. Now I've added the moong dal, cooked moong dal, and adjust the water. Let it boil. In the meantime, our oil is hot. I'm going to drop in the bondas. And we are going to deep fry till they are crispy. Flame should be between medium to high. The ingredients list I have given in the description box. Let's fry till they are golden brown. In Tamil Nadu, it is served as Bonda Sambar. Now our bondas are almost ready. Here I am adding little lime juice to the soup. In a bowl, I have added some bondas and serving with the soup. Yummy bonda soup ready.